Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Savannah and today I'll be showing you how to lay your edges and get those baby hairs that aren't gonna go anywhere, and show you guys my technique. This is my basic everyday baby hair kind of swoop, nothing too fancy, but let's get right into it. So my hair was kind of already in a bun the day before, so I'm just going in and wetting my hair to smooth it out a bit. And I have this hard bristle brush, which is the best. If you're not brushing your hair down with the bristle brush, then you're not gonna get that nice, smooth, clean look. So yeah, it takes me about 5 to 10 tries to get my hair up, because these little itty bitty muscles aren't really holding up all this hair, and it's kind of hard, but we're gonna get this bun down. It's a struggle, I know you know. So yeah, I'm basically just doing like a kind of messy, thrown up bun, just trying to get all them hairs up in there. The struggle is real. Alright, so now we're going in with the Kera Care styling gel. This gel is really bomb. It smells good and it does not build up. I use this for about half the week when I'm wearing my bun. So I'm just putting this all over my hair to smooth it out. Once again, this is a process. I don't get my bun perfect in one try. So yeah, make sure from the front to the back it is smooth. And grab that bristle brush, that hard brush again, and kind of just work that gel in your hair and get it down smooth. It smells delicious, like I said. I love it. And alright, if you don't know about that Got2b Ultra Glue gel for your edges, then you are gonna have to pick this up right now. I do like the black bottle better than the yellow bottle. So alright, now for the fun part, but it could be very aggravating sometimes. I grab a toothbrush specifically for my hair, and I begin to pull down my baby hairs. And the key to laying down your edges, I think, is to really use your other hand to guide your swoop. Use that finger to hold down your swoop and then brush it in the way that you want it to swoop. On my little corners, I like to do a little like a J shape, or a like a little S curl going on. So this is kind of hard. I mean, once you get it down, it's easy, but you want to swoop it down and use your finger to guide that C shape right there, that little wave curl. So yeah, definitely use your fingers. If you're not using your finger, then your little swoop is just gonna go right away once you brush it. So use your finger, and you kind of just have to play around with it. Make sure you're not grabbing too much hair. Just grab the perfect amount of baby hair, and this is like a basic everyday baby hair kind of look. You can exaggerate the baby hairs, or you could just go kind of like this and do like a natural baby hair look, which is what I like to do. Get it when you get your baby hairs done and you're feeling yourself. So yeah, sometimes one side of my head is kind of trickier than the other because my baby hairs don't lay the same, but you just gotta work with what you got. And this was kind of hard because I was doing this in my viewfinder, but once you're in the mirror, you can definitely see what you're doing a little bit better. So I did take a little bit of too much hair on this side, but I do end up fixing it. Alright, so now for the important part. You want to have a headscarf to lay everything down. If you don't lay it down, as soon as you go outside, that wind is going to take your hair and mess it all up. So I really like to tie this super tight, hold it there until I'm done getting ready. Once it's done, voila, you got smoothness. It just gives you this nice smooth effect that you really can't get without doing this. So now I'm just taking my toothbrush and smoothing down any little hairs that I see left. And yeah, that's the tutorial, guys. I definitely recommend these two gels. I love them. Yeah, that's a simple edges tutorial. If you guys want to see a more detailed one where we do way more swoop than this, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, if you've tried these gels or what gels work for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.